Hello lovely people, welcome to Prime Strings. Today we're playing Hills and Dales from the Waggon Wheels book. I'll play it for you first. As you've probably guessed, this piece is written in the key of D major, and you can see lots of sections from the D major scale and the D major arpeggio in this piece. Let's play a D major scale and arpeggio first before we get started. So we're playing the D scale and I'm playing every note twice with long bows, and when I do that I'm really going to work on pushing my bow hand forwards, and I'm also going to really listen to the tuning. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's play the D arpeggio next. Ready? And... Now, as I've said before, in the piece of Hills and Dales there are lots of sections of the D scale and the D arpeggio. Now I'll point these out as we go along. For instance, at the start, that is the beginning of the D scale, isn't it? And this is the end of it. So you've got a bit of the scale there in bars 1 and 2 of the piece. And then in bar 3 you've got the arpeggio. So the better you are at playing the scale and the arpeggio, the better you're going to be at this piece. So that is why we're practicing the two together. Now will you join me playing the first 2 lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. You may have noticed already that for these last 2 notes here, I'm placing my first finger in between the G and D strings, so that I catch both these notes with the same finger. Let's practice that. goes. Now I'd like you to think about the bowing in this piece. When we start on a minim, we use the whole bow. The crotchets that follow are played at the upper half, and then we've got a long bow again, which brings us to the other end of the bow again. So I want you to really feel that you're playing half a bow for the crotchets, then a whole bow, and then half a bow again at the lower half. Let's play the first 2 lines again, and then really focus on that bowing. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now let's carry on, and we'll keep on thinking about those half bows, upper half and lower half. 3, 4. Now let's practice the last line of this piece again. So we're just playing the last line. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to slow my bow down while I play that long last note so that I'm getting nice and quiet here. Let's just practice the last note again. 1, 2, 3, softer and softer, 4. Wow, that gives it something extra here, doesn't it? Now let's play it one more time, all the way through from the beginning to the end, and this time we're going to add our louds and softs. So we're starting not too loud, mezzo forte. But as the notes go up in pitch, let your dynamic level go up a little bit as well, which means play a little bit louder. As the notes go down in pitch, let's play a little bit softer. So you get this sort of rising and falling of the line, and that will make it sound really beautiful. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was lovely with the louds and softs. Well done for keeping going with me. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have, please share it with your friends and hit the subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.